Welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, we'll explore what a mega menu item is and how to use it in Odoo18 website. Let's get started. A mega menu item is a large, expandable menu that shows multiple columns of links, which are great for organizing many options under one drop-down. In Odoo18, it helps create a user-friendly navigation bar, especially for e-commerce or content-heavy websites. To create a mega menu item, go to your Odoo database and open the website module. Click Site and open Menu Editor. Add a new mega menu item and enter a name. Click OK and it will be added to the nav bar. To add links and make changes to the mega menu item, click on the Edit button. Select the menu item and make the required changes. And that's it. Mega menus make your site easier to navigate and more professional looking. Try it out on your Odoo18 website and let us know how it goes in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon for more Odoo tips. See you in the next video.